Caswell Smith House, circa 1885, built in the Eastlake style. The Caswell House was constructed in 1885 for the aging Captain William B. Caswell. This residence was completed only 2 years before he died and was a monument to his thoroughness and ability as a builder. At the time, there were few homes in the area that equaled it for detail. One only has to step inside the large walnut front doors to witness the most skilled craftsmanship that could be achieved during the height of the industrial boom here in Parkersburg. In 1850, Mr. Caswell, with his wife and young family, came to this area and settled in Parkersburg. He became engaged at once in the milling and lumber business and purchased the mill that was the property of General John J. Jackson. Shortly after the Civil War, he sold his milling property to the Parkersburg Mill Company. Mr. Caswell was one of the founders of the Republican Party in the state of West Virginia and one of the famous 32 who dared to vote in Wood County for Abraham Lincoln for president in 1860. He was a man of honesty, sincerity, and straightforwardness. He died in March of 1887. The house contains a large entry hall with a beautiful curved staircase, a front parlor, back parlor, dining room, music room, and kitchen on the first floor. 4 main bedrooms and 2 small servants' rooms in the rear are on the second floor. This is one of the most ornate houses in the historic district. Since Caswell's time, the house has served as a single-family home, a boarding house, and a bed and breakfast. It is currently the residence of Norman and Judith Smith.